Welcome to Technoland Expert. This HTML document builds a simple but visually complete walking cartoon character scene using only HTML and CSS, with no JavaScript required, demonstrating how layout, shapes, and CSS animations can be combined to create motion and structure in the browser. The page begins with standard HTML5 markup and sets the character encoding to UTF-8, then defines all visual styling inside a style block. The body is reset to remove default margins, given a light blue background to suggest the sky, and set to overflow, hidden so the animated character moving across the screen does not create scroll bars. At the bottom of the page, a .street element represents the road. It is positioned absolutely, spans the full width of the viewport, has a fixed height, and is colored dark gray, while a nested line element uses a repeating linear gradient to create dashed white road markings without needing multiple elements or images. The cartoon figure itself is wrapped in a .character container, which is absolutely positioned above the street and animated using the walk keyframes. The animation smoothly moves the character from off-screen on the left, 150px, to beyond the right edge of the screen, left, 100%. Over 10 seconds in a linear, infinite loop, giving the illusion that the character continuously walks across the road. The head of the character is constructed as a blue circle, head, using equal width and height with a border radius of 50%, and inside it a smaller white circle, face, is positioned slightly lower to form the facial area. Facial features are added with minimal elements, two black oval eyes positioned symmetrically using absolute positioning and modifier classes, left and right, and a red circular nose placed between them, creating an expressive and recognizable cartoon face. Beneath the head is the body, another rounded blue shape, body, that slightly overlaps the head using a negative top margin, reinforcing the sense of a single connected character. Inside the body is a white circular belly, positioned centrally, and within that a pocket element styled using borders and rounded corners with no top border to mimic a classic cartoon pocket. The paws are represented by small white circles, paw. Positioned at the bottom of the body on the left and right sides, suggesting feet or hands depending on interpretation, and helping visually anchor the character to the ground. Throughout the CSS, absolute positioning is used to precisely place elements relative to their parents, while border radius values transform simple rectangles into circles and ovals, effectively drawing the character using pure CSS. The animation is handled entirely by CSS keyframes rather than JavaScript, making the movement smooth, lightweight, and easy to control with timing functions and duration values. Altogether, this code illustrates how a complete animated scene, background, ground, character design, and motion can be created with clean HTML structure and creative CSS, showcasing the power of modern web styling techniques to replace images and scripts with scalable, resolution-independent vector-like graphics rendered directly in the browser.